Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm preparing waakye. As you can see, I have my beans. I have some rice. Waakye is a very popular breakfast here in Ghana, but due to the lockdown, it's very difficult to get some to buy. I have some salt to taste and some millet leaves. This is a leaf that gives the waakye that special reddish color. I soaked my beans overnight because I want it to cook really fast. I don't like using the salt bitter, or I think it's called kanwe locally. I don't like using it, so I like to soak the beans overnight for some time, and then it helps it cook faster. As you can see, my beans is on the fire. It's cooking very well. It didn't take so long for the beans to cook. It cooked like 15 minutes. And it was soft enough for me to add the rice. So you should try that hack. It will save you a lot of time. Right now my beans is almost ready for me to add the rice. Yeah, as you can see, it's soft, as I told you. So what I'm going to do next is add, but I didn't add my millet leaves to give it that very nice, beautiful reddish color. I've added my rice and it's cooked for some time. I covered it with the aluminum foil to help it cook better. And I'm cooking it on low heat. Wow! As you can see, my waakye is coming out beautiful. Okay guys, this is the final product of my waakye. I didn't